Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have an unboxing from NakedPoppy. It's here! This has been here for a while and I'm finally just now opening it. So what's cool about NakedPoppy is that you can go to their website, and I will have an affiliate link in my description box, so if you ever want to help my channel out, it really helps me when you guys shop through those affiliate links in my description box and use my promo codes. I do get a small commission, but it also shows company that I have an audience that is watching and active, and they will continue to send me stuff so I can continue to make videos like these for you. So, NakedPoppy, they do a lot of clean beauty, a lot of cruelty-free, natural beauty products. And what I like is if you go to their website, they do have a little assessment tool that will curate like makeup and skincare for you that fits within your needs and preferences. So they were kind enough to do that for me. They let me do the assessment, and then they sent me these goodies. So they did originally send me an email saying what's all is going to be in the box, but I really tried not to look at it because I want to be surprised by the curation. So let's take a look-see and see what we've got. So they sent me, oh, this is really pretty. Heather, hope you love your clean beauty pics. Jackie at NakedPoppy. Oh, that's really nice. And look at this beautiful curation. Isn't that great? So, wow, this is, oh, wow, I love the way they did this. This is so pretty. Aw. So I want to make sure I hold it in a way that stuff doesn't fall out. Very pretty. So we've got this, and it says, to you, every lovely go-to in this package has been rigorously screened by scientists and beauty experts to ensure it's cleaner than clean and beautiful to wear. May your makeup and skin rituals feel like a joy and bring out your healthiest, most glowing self. Oh, this is very nice. And ooh, and this is this was in here, so let's see. It says NakedPoppy Revitalized Organic Facial Oil. That sounds cool. So let's go ahead and give me a hand here. What else we got? And we got a little demonstration. Apply 3 to 5 drops on the freshly cleansed damp skin morning and night. Use alone or underneath moisturizer for added nourishment. So the NakedPoppy Revitalized Organic Facial Oil has jojoba oil, argan oil, and poppy seed oil. So let's take a look-see and see what we've got. Oh, again, clean beauty curated for you. This is really cool. So let's go ahead and open that up. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, can't wait. Okay, all right. Let's pop in this and let's see what we've got. Let's start, we'll go left to right. So we've got this cute little drawstring pouch that says NakedPoppy on it. Okay. And what is in here? Okay, this is the Revitalized Organic Facial Oil. There we go. That worked out well, didn't it? Okay. So for firmer, smoother, and brighter looking skin. Sorry, I am constantly a lint magnet. I always have lint on my shirt. It's so annoying. Okay. Organic and non-GMO, and this is also non-soy. This is for every skin type. It has rosehip seed oil to help with wrinkles. Pop that open. It's got jojoba oil to balance skin, and argan and poppy seed oils to lock in moisture. Okay, lovely. I love minimalist packaging like this. I love solid colors, clean lines, basic font. I want to see if this, it has a slight scent. It almost smells like citrusy. Very nice. Okay, looking forward to that. And there's something else in the pouch. Excuse me, there's something else in the pouch. Sorry guys, I'm from Texas, and that twang likes to pop out when I'm talking. This is NakedPoppy as well. So NakedPoppy curates from other brands, and they also have their own in-house brand, NakedPoppy. So I think that's really cool that you can try some of their products when they do the curation, and then they also give you other clean beauty brands to try. So NakedPoppy, this is, ooh, clean liquid eyeliner. I am a fan of eyeliner. I can never have too many liquid eyeliners. So This is in the shade black, very convenient. That is the universal go-to. And let's take a look at it. Hello Clean Beauty, Shake Well. This is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free. And this also washes off with soap and water. So sounds like you don't need any kind of heavy-duty cleansers to remove this. So that's cool too. Because there have been times where, try as I might, the eyeliner just will not go away and you wake up with raccoon eyes. I love the packaging. Naked Poppy, clean liquid eyeliner. I love the little black dots. And let's see, which way is this? Whoops, the other way. Okay, this way. Very nice. And it looks like it has a sponge tip applicator, it looks like. Very cool. I will give this a try. That's so cool because I was actually just getting ready to purchase a liquid eyeliner, but now I have one, so I'm good to go. Awesome. And it's a clean beauty one. So, all right. So I like the way they did that is they put the Naked Poppy brand products in the Naked Poppy pouch. That's very, not only nicely curated, but that's just a great presentation to really introduce their brand to you. That's really clever. So let's see what else we've got. I'm not familiar with this brand. This brand is called Alima Pure. Alima Pure. And this is the Satin Matte Foundation. And mine is in the shade Beige 5. I'm really excited to try this. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so it looks like it's a mineral. That makes sense. It's a mineral foundation. And that's cool. It does have the sifter. So that way you can open and close this. That way when you're using it, you can just shake out enough product. And when you're not using it, you can close it so it doesn't spill and make a mess. Great packaging. So let me look at this. This is a mineral foundation. Yeah, it only has a couple of ingredients. That's pretty cool. It's got mica, titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, iron oxides, and that's it. And of course they have those in different shades. So this is beige number 5, Alima Pure. That'll be cool to try. Okay, so we have that. Very nice. And there's a couple more items, so we'll do this one first. We've got Kosas. Now, there you go. You guys know Kosas. And what do we have? We have the Wet Lip Oil Plumping Treatment Gloss. Mine is in the shade Dip. Dip. This is a Neutral Bikini Nude. That's a fun way to describe that shade. Let's take a look at it. Clean makeup. Ooh, love. Kosas always has the cutest packaging. How fun is that? I love it. Wet lip oil. Okay, good old Kosas. Woo, I love that. I love it when I pull out a lip product that just drips like that. Unscented. Pretty color. That's a very nice, I think that would work on pretty much most skin tones. It's just that nice, warm, nude shade that really livens up your complexion without making you look over made up or gaudy. Very lovely. And then this says, I'm compostable. I'm compostable. I can be commercially composted. We like that. So good for the environment. And sorry, I lost my little package opening tool here. So let me see if we can get this open. And let's see what we've got. I think it's a, okay. My first time using this brand. This is what they call it, Aether Beauty. Aether Beauty. This is the Rose Quartz Crystal Gemstone Palette. Rose Quartz Crystal Gemstone Palette. And I've seen a little bit of this brand online, although they did just decline me for their affiliate program. I don't know how they make these decisions. I think if anybody's willing to promote your stuff, you should just approve them. I don't know. It's free advertising. Anyways, one less thing for me to do. But we do have this, which is kind of cool. So you open it up and it comes with this little card. Shed what doesn't serve you as the rose unravels its layers to reveal the heart center of profound beauty. Okay. And this is the palette. Oh my gosh. For some reason I couldn't open it. This is the palette. Oh, there's no mirror. There we go. So I can open it up all the way. So it's it is a rose tone neutral palette. But it's interesting because we've got cool elements and we've got warm elements. That's a really interesting color story, actually. It's actually quite unique, I think. Very cool. Wow, so what a great package from NakedPoppy. I mean, we've got eyeshadow, we've got a lip product, we've got foundation, we've got even eyeliner and a facial oil. And it all fits in this little box. I love it. So go ahead and head over to NakedPoppy. I have the link down below. If you click that link, you help out my channel. You help me to receive more products for review. I also get a tiny commission if you make a purchase. That really helps out my channel so I can continue making content for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. When you do go to NakedPoppy, make sure you take the assessment so they can curate a box of clean beauty just for you. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.